Hi, welcome back to the free course that I offer in rental investing, both on my blog and on this YouTube channel. And so today we're talking about how to find a rental investing mentor. But do note real quick that you can check out the article that corresponds with this video exactly, providing even more details and examples. That link is down in the description below. First off, what's a rental investing mentor and why on earth should you get one? So a mentor in any field is a person who, usually for a small fee or for some sort of deal or for free, someone who takes you under their wing and teaches you everything that they've learned, helps you through deals. And so this person is usually an expert either in your area or just in the field, and they essentially guide you with helping you analyze properties, maybe giving you different contacts, and maybe figuring out what is a good property versus not a good property investment. Okay, so before we dive into the 5 ways that you can find a rental investing mentor, we're going over 3 different types of investors. Okay, so the first one is a for-profit mentor. This is someone who specifically makes money off of you to be your mentor, right? And so this is someone where very commonly you could find them on the internet, but usually pay them for their expertise. You know, they may have a really large portfolio, for example, or may have a ton of success in your area or in a big city. And then you have someone who we consider the old and wise mentor. So this is someone who is really experienced in the field, and usually someone who is in your local area who just has a lot of experience. And then you have the next category, which is considered like the young and relatable mentor. Okay, so this is the person who may be under, I'd consider 35 or so. So this may be a better option for younger individuals because they are more relatable, right? You can go get coffee with them and they would be totally chill about it. All right, so let's go into the 5 different ways that you can find a rental investor mentor. So the first way to find a rental investing mentor for free is to join Facebook groups. So Facebook groups specifically for the city, the suburb, the town that you live in is a really great way to find people who are in your area, right? It is so much easier to have a mentor who you can physically meet with compared to someone who potentially lives half across the country. And then next, another great way to meet a rental investing mentor for free is to go to local rental investing meetups. So in the first one, you're talking about this being more of a digital opportunity, okay? You're finding someone through online. But then through meetups, this is something where I highly suggest you go onto Facebook or go onto somewhere like BIGGERPOCKETS where you can find that there are local meetups in your area. Now, of course, right now, because of COVID, it may be via Zoom or something like that. But when you're able to get in person, this is an awesome opportunity to meet people who are really experienced in your area. Another great way to potentially find a rental investing mentor is through local classes, courses, and seminars. And so this is one I personally haven't done yet, but what you can do is sign up for a local seminar or class. This is usually a place where you can find people who are not only new to rental investing like you, which is also a great way to network, of course, but then also it may be potentially led by some local big investors or some local big agents. And through communicating and networking, I mean, networking is a huge part of rental investing, really getting to build a team, right? And so this is a great way to meet people, to network, and then to potentially find a mentor. So this 4th way to find a real estate investing mentor is a really smart way to build up your connections. Okay, so all you have to do is start connecting with real estate agents. Agents usually know who the investors are. You can ask your questions and they can potentially get you pointed to someone who really would be a good mentor for you. And then the last tip is to reach out to people on BIGGERPOCKETS. So if you're potentially a rental investor or you're looking into it and wanting to get started, joining BIGGERPOCKETS is a really great way. It's an awesome asset out there. They have so much free information. And through the different options they provide on their website, you can find local people who you can connect with. So someone's not just going to pile on and provide you all their tips and all their secrets and spend so much time for free, right? You can't just, it's just not common to go up to someone and be like, okay, mentor me, because that's a lot of work on their end. And so building up that relationship is pivotal for having a true mentor in rental investing. And so starting in any of these avenues is an awesome way to start to just network and to build that connection and to show your willingness to help. So do you really need a mentor? It's really recommended to have someone out there who you could bounce ideas off of. They don't have to be the best of the best. So hopefully this helps you a little bit in regard to finding a rental investing mentor and getting that process started with networking and connecting with other people in your area so that you can get started with this whole rental investing journey of yours. Be sure to go check out the other videos and blog posts that are associated with this free course for rental investing. Thanks for watching.